Anyway, remember when we shot that?
All right, this is Jordan shooting a 308 bolt action Savage rifle, and he's going to shoot some Tannerite, just a little bit over a pound. And the target, I'm going to zoom in. Is just below that can. You can fire when ready, Jordan. Nice shot, dude. Good shot. Nice, dude. Now we're gonna go over and see what we did. And keep filming. That's a beauty, dude. Beauteous. Snowing out a little bit. Target was 75 yards, 1-inch circle. And I had it attached to a large Ziploc bag with, again, about 1.5 pounds of Tannerite, which detonates when struck by anything with a velocity of 2,100 feet per second or greater. Of course, that round came out about 2,750 feet per second. And by the time it reached the target, I'm sure it was still cooking around 2,600 feet per second. So we had it wedged underneath this tree and surrounded by rocks. It was surrounded by rocks. There was no evidence of any rocks, and the tree moved to about maybe 8 inches, and that tree is probably 400 pounds.
It's all waterlogged too.
And there's the can that was on top.
A little bit of beer there. Scruffy.
And that's the end of that. Good job.